Hey everyone, check it out! Kirby right back at ya is back with more episodes. My episodes. Tonight we're gonna draw a powerful thunderstorm monster named Crakko. Crakko is one of the hardest bosses on the Kirby video game that I have on my Nintendo Switch. He's a level 15 rank, and he's powerful. Took me 11 attempts, but I actually got the chance to beat him. Here's the bumps on his back. Draw the lumps of a cloud. And we're not going to stop here. We're going to draw the lightning bolts. Nobody can beat this powerful crakko. Alexa, what is a thunderstorm?
Thunderstorm is a noun meaning a transient storm of lightning and thunder, usually with rain and gusty winds, sometimes with hail or snow, produced by cumulonimbus clouds.
There he is, everyone. That is how you draw Crakko. Kaboom! That's all for now. To find out more on how to draw more powerful monsters, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. And be sure to go to Kyle Freeman Avina on my site, and be sure to leave a comment below. Oh yeah, I already told you to leave a comment below. Now, let me know which character you want me to draw next. I'm always here, and I never want to stop until I draw them all. Stay against Sora, see you later. That's all for now. Good night. Like your blog and subscribe to my channel.